There's a lot of controversy out there whether you should use a single point sling and whether you should use a 2-point sling. And what we've done is tried to combine them, meaning you should have the best of both worlds. Try not to just choose one. And what we mean specifically is with the MS3 Sling, what's nice about it is that it is primarily a single point first with the ability to be used as a 2-point. Now, when I say this, our sling is set up for more of what we look at as direct action, meaning I need, and my priority is to be able to move the gun from one shoulder to another if I decided to drop on the ground because I was being fired at, and when I dropped on the ground in front of me was a curb and I had to switch shoulders very quick and very hasty. Any type of sling movement, having to expand it or having to pull it into a manner to give me the slack that I need to get my gun, time is life. So that becomes very important to us. However, if I've got to climb something, if I've got to go hands-on with the subject, single point slings have a disadvantage at that point. So our sling has the ability to go from single point to actually 2-point. Now, one of the great things about it is the hardware. With the MS2 Sling, it was the best that was out there at the time, meaning we're using somebody else's hardware. We're trying to combine it with a thought process based on the fact that, you know, we help design the theory-based products with Magpul. One of the cool things is this is all Magpul hardware. So one, we control it. Two, what you have a combination of is metal and polymer here. And you also have a built-in safety. The safety is pretty easy to use, disengages almost like a Remington 870 safety that you would find on a shotgun. What's nice about it is because we make it, one, we can, two, it changes the dynamic of the sling, meaning that the sling is a lot lighter now because we don't have a lot of brass hardware on there, and that lockjaw that we had on there was extremely heavy. The nylon is different as well. What we did was we used to run 1 inch, now we run 1 1/4 inches. We also changed the material. It used to be a really soft material but started fraying over Velcro. Obviously this causes problems. So we changed the material up, we made it a little bit wider, all the stitching, really good, really lightweight. Runs the same characteristics as the MS2 does. Have an attachment point here and then one to the gun. Basically what we've done is enhance the product to be even better.
Awesome. Thanks, Chris.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching gunwebsites.com.